Hello everyone and welcome to Chitkara Learner. I want to make sure that you must hit a subscribe button and a bell icon so that you will be get notified when I upload a video regarding the technology and all. So what is the problem we are going to discuss today is ad serving has been limited. I will tell you in parts like how to solve this problem also, and in this part I will tell you why this problem come, what you have to do, and what is the final result. Okay, now this problem is coming due to your own activity. Like you asked some of your friends or family members, like please do make a click on my app, or like this kind of a thing, or you are using a VPN and then clicking on your app, then they start observing your account that there are like real click or not. They will not observe your account on basis of your past what you have done. They will observe when they have put in this error, and they're observing right now if someone like strange thing is happening. This kind of error is there, like account level issues. If you are using a website, then it is coming on AdSense, both having the same issues, and it can be same by mutually also. Like this kind of mail you get, your ad serving has been limited, and like seeing ad serving on your account is temporarily limited while we are starting to build and grow your audience that limit the chance to assess the traffic quality while protecting our advertiser and user. Basically they are protecting their advertiser, which they are paying, advertiser paying to them. Like they are not getting a genuine, they are getting a fake click, and like this kind of a thing is happening. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to directly come on click on this feedback part. When you are going to click on this feedback part, this screen will appear. What you have to do, you have to describe your problem, that basically I'm having this kind of a problem, I'm having genuine followers on my account, like many kind of things you can also describe. Like I'm facing this kind of issue and my app is genuine and my users are also genuine, there is no activity earlier also happened like this. You have to include a screenshot also, and that screenshot must show the error part. Must show the error part means this red part should be must in that, and you have to click the screenshot, and then you feedback in that feedback, copy in that feedback, and that write a must use a genuine word. First thing remember, you have to remember is use a genuine word. Then you have to do is like you have got a mail when your account is approved, your account is ready to go. You have got a mail. Okay, this mail is like again you will going to get this mail. Your account is now approved in 1 week or 2 week or a 1 month. But you will get if you are doing this process. Make sure that you are doing properly. Okay, guys. Like this kind of error are so many there. Ad serving has been limited. If you are using like website and all, go on AdSense, same, click on a feedback part, and then by clicking on a feedback part, and you have to do the same thing which we are doing on a ad mock. Okay, guys, or remember one thing, use genuine word. Okay, guys, thank you.